They even did ad work in here. This is a video game. This is a video game. It's time to test Nintendo's new Switch game, Ring Fit Adventure, and my body is ready. You knew I had to say it. Come on, it had to be said. All right, first I gotta put this Joy-Con on the left leg. Glad it's got enough room. Got some mighty thighs here. All right.
Let's do it. Get to it. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it.
You have your Joy-Con snapped into the Ring-Con. You have a leg strap with another Joy-Con on it. And I am going to go on an adventure beating bad guys with exercise. And this is a quick preview we're getting before it comes out on October 18th.
That's a good thing.
Okay. Calibrating. All right, I'm already calibrated. It measured it to my strength and how much I can press the ring in and out. I don't know what it's gonna be like. I'm sure I have the strength of a 10-year-old boy, so let's see how this is. I'm not a very fit person, but you know what? Now's the time to get fit. So let's do this. I got some ways to go before I look like her. Looks like I set free and a really big bad guy who definitely goes to the gym way more than I do. It's measuring my heart rate. This is crazy. Huh. The land that we begin is called Beginia. All right. Oh no, I have to actually raise my knees to climb stairs. No. Oh, it sucks in everything.
All right, with a victory.
That was just 3 minutes and I'm already like, oh. I am not a fit person, but this is making me laugh at just like how I have to keep moving constantly. This is also fun though, so even though I'm tired, I'm like, let's go see what else. I want to see the next thing. It's pretty easy to understand. You're just pulling the ring and you're squeezing it in. It's a lot of squeezy and pulley and a lot of running. They don't let you off easy because the Joy-Con is sensing how high I'm moving my legs. So when I have to go upstairs, I have to really get my feet up there. I could bet it's only gonna get harder from here. Ooh, this level has monster bad guys.
All right.
You know what's kind of nice about these moments of explanation? I can catch my breath a little bit before engaging in battle. Select a skill. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can actually select which skill you want to do.
Squat.
Now you're actually in squat.
Just burn those thighs.
You got it. 3. Great. Let's pick up the pace.
Oh, that was faster. Okay, good, I beat him.
Good spot.
That was one bad guy. That was a lot of exercise for one bad guy. I told you I don't exercise. This is getting my heart rate up. It's making me want to move, which is a big problem. I have no motivation to go to the gym. I have kids at home. What am I gonna do? When do I have time to go to the gym? I'm having fun here. I can see myself playing this and having my kids next to me. It's making me do exercises that I normally wouldn't do. I don't do squats. I don't do presses. Okay. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Return. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Ah. Paddleboard. I'm paddleboarding. I feel like I'm doing it right. No, I cheated that one. Big fan of exercises where I get to use the ring kind, the squeezy and the pulley. I got that. When you start getting me on the floor, oh no. Oh, that's nasty. Because it don't play. It don't play around. I'm trying to cheat and I can't. It really measures like how well you're like holding it. Oh, it's not kind. But you know what? Mama needs a little motivation. Mama needs someone to give a little tough love. Guys, Levels have items you can collect, like gelatin and protein powder and ingredients to make smoothies, which you can then drink for energy and heart health. There's a lot of mini games you can play if you have a lot of friends over, you want to pass it around, see what you can accomplish quickly. This is gonna work on my pecs?
Yeah.
This one's for the pecs, okay. Oh my God. No. I'm losing it. Come on, hit 70, 75. Come on, I got 80. Oh, I couldn't get 100. Oh, no, did it? This is like smashing the little gophers. Pulling and the squeezing is not easy, guys. It's not easy. Oh no! Oh, it's working out my core, it just said. Oh, okay, I like this game. I gotta make my pottery. This is not very sexy. So if I only have a certain amount of time in the day and I know I just want to quickly work out my arms, I can make a fitness routine that just works out my arms and it'll tell me like how long it'll take, like just a few minutes or whatnot. So that's pretty helpful when you don't have a lot of time in your day and you just want to get out the door. All right, now this is a creative feature. It's called Multitask Mode. You don't even need the Switch game on at all to get your workout points in. You can take the Ringcon with you and set it up so it just measures the reps you do in the day. And when I do a little squeeze, I hear a little beep. Beep, 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 beep. And then when I get home, it's gonna give me points for all the workouts. So let's say I'm at my desk working at the computer. I could be squeezing this with my thighs, just kind of, doing this as a little busy activity as I'm thinking about the next great video I wanna make. Suddenly I'm getting points. Getting those experience points. Okay, that was really fun, guys. Let's be real about what we just experienced here. I broke a sweat and was laughing, and there was just a lot to take in between the RPG adventure and the mini games, and it was legit. One thing that has been on my mind personally lately is that I have no time to go to the gym. I just had a baby recently, so I want to get more fit again, and then I have kids in the house, so when am I going to go to the gym, right? When am I going to leave when they're asleep? It's hard to get to the gym. We've been talking and looking at, do I get a exercise bike and a whole big piece of equipment in the house? And Peloton is crazy expensive, no way. Here, I can see myself doing this. I can see having fun with the family or when the kids are asleep, also squeezing in small exercises when I can, before work, after work. I've long wanted a video game to gamify exercise in a good way, or even have a machine gamify exercise, but everything always left me like one note. Okay, that's great, you're on an exercise bike and you're going through a valley, like this is very expansive. This will keep the playability and the replayability going on for a while. This is so much more than the Wii Fit. The Wii Fit was something I loved playing back in the day. I was a whole different person back then, but with the Wii Fit, it was more just having my friends over and doing it here and there. But I didn't actually get a real workout in like I was with this, and I only sampled it just for a few minutes. That's actually a good thing, because if you're going to spend $80 on this game, you want to get your money's worth. You want to say that, yes, I worked out and I had fun and I'm playing an adventure game that lasts a long time. So I think the price there is a real deal. If you're looking for something to motivate you to work out, having a gym membership doesn't always do it. You need something else. This is a great entry-level game to get you off the couch, even though I'm on a couch now, but it gets you off the couch, it gets you playing, it makes you want to see what's going to happen next. So they did a good job there. I'm looking forward to seeing more. Now where's that smoothie? I hear they have smoothies here. I'm kind of thirsty. I deserve this. All right, so we want to grab some McDonald's later or something? I don't know.